This is just a really short video, actually. Only a few seconds, but that nor'easter that did come, or actually hit New England, it didn't really affect here, but we still have some leftover snow from the last one. It was actually a week ago today. The snow melted a little bit, but there's still a ton here, as you can see. So, yeah. But we're just getting a little bit of the impacts from it. It's super windy outside and cold, so just figured I'd give you that video, because it is pretty windy. So anyway, so make sure you subscribe and stay updated on my channel for more weather updates. I'm sorry for those of you who are not a very big fan of weather, but fire alarm stuff and the normal stuff is coming out soon. It's just, especially where I live, weather's been very active, and I'm sure a lot of you guys want to hear about it, because I'm sure you're affected by it. There goes a big gust of wind. That tree is really making me nervous. Of course you can't see it, but it's about to fall. It looks like, oh my god. It looks like it's about to fall. I think it was windier than I thought. So anyway, subscribe and see you later.